God bless you, my dear friends. This is LibreOffice Calc, which is a spreadsheet software much like Microsoft Office Excel, which is available for you to download freely. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to use Microsoft Excel or LibreOffice function wizard in order to calculate the square or the root of a given number. So before jumping on to the technical side of the video, I will explain the math behind this video as to what is a square, what is a cube, what is a root. Okay, so what is the meaning of this expression? The meaning of this expression is 1 repeatedly multiplied by itself once. 1 repeatedly multiplied by itself once. In other words, it means there are two instances. So here 1 is the base and 2 is the exponent, and the meaning of this 1 to the exponent 2 is 1 multiplied by 1. And if you ponder what is the meaning of this, okay, this is 1 repeatedly multiplied by itself twice. In other simple layman's terms, that is 3 instances. So what this means is 1 to the exponent 3. 1 to the exponent 3. Once again, this is the base and this is the exponent. Okay, 1 to the exponent to any number, any base to the exponent 2, we call it the square. Any base to the exponent 3, we call it the cube. So what we have done here is we have squared 1. What we have done here is we have cubed 1. We have cubed 1. So what is the power? What do you mean by power? Power is the product or the result of base multiplied by exponent. So that is the math behind this video as to what is the square, what is a cube. To understand that, we should understand what is the base, what is the exponent, and what do you mean by power. Once again, coming to the technical side of this video, if you are in Microsoft Excel, all you have to do is just type equal and you have to pinpoint the base. Okay, the base 1 corresponds to cell A2, and now you have to bring up the raise symbol, that is shift plus 6. So A2 is 1 raised by what is the exponent? Exponent 2, that is the square, and I will hit enter, and you can easily duplicate the result. Once the plus mark enters in the pops up in the right corner, just drag it here. 10 repeatedly multiplied by itself once equals 100. Okay, the same can be done here. I will erase it, and the same if you are in Microsoft Excel platform. Here the base, select the base of the number you want to calculate. For instance, say I'm here going to calculate the cube for number 4, that is I'm going to cube number 4. Okay, let's do this. Once again, hit equal and select my base. It is in cell A5, and shift plus 6, that is I am going to raise the base by, here the exponent is going to be 3, that is 4 into 4 into 4, that is equal to 64. If you want to check the answer, 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 64. And once again drag it top and to the bottom. Thus you will have your answers. And once again I will erase those. In case you happen to be using this magnificent piece of software called LibreOffice Calc, this is how you do the function. Hit equals to prompt the function wizard, to activate the function wizard, and equal, as you know, I'm going to use the function called power, POWE, and here it prompts. Here the syntax or the model comes, and when it comes I'm going to hit enter. So all that remains for me is to fill in the blanks. Here the formula has already been automatically entered into my cell. I'm going to check the syntax or the model. Here it says power within brackets base comma exponent. So I'm going to select my base. This is going to be my base, and followed by a comma, and what is going to be my exponent? My exponent is going to be 2, because I'm going to find the square. To enter. Let's try it once more. Equal power. Power means, what do you mean by power? As I told you, power is base into any exponent, the product of which we call it power. So irrespective of whether you want to find the square or the cube, the function you will be using is power. So equal power. When it pops up, hit enter, and now all you have to do is fill in the blanks. Select your base, comma, the exponent to which you want to raise. If you want to find the square, absolutely the exponent is going to be no doubt 2. Enter. So 5 into 5 equals 25. So you can just duplicate the formula. Okay, now how are you going to calculate the cube? Once again you have to raise the formula to the exponent, the base to the exponent 3. So I will type in equal power, enter, select my base, and followed by comma, I'll be raising it to the exponent 3. Enter. So I'm going to duplicate my results here. This is the power. Power means the base to the exponent 3. Here in this case is cube. 10, I will show you, 10 into 10 into 10, here that is 1000. Okay, next, this is root. My god, I have no clue how to find the root. If you have the same idea, if you're burning with the same question, this is how you do it. To prompt the, as always, to prompt the function wizard, hit equals, and to find the square root, my dear friend, SQRT. Here it pops up the model, hit enter. Now fill in the blanks. Square root, it is the easiest formula. You only have to select the base. Enter. Here once again a typical example, equal SQRT. Here pops up the model, select the base, enter, and next duplicate your results. I think you'll be happy with using LibreOffice, because it is very much straightforward and a simple open office software made available for you free of charge. So this is how we use the spreadsheet softwares available, that is maybe Excel, it may be LibreOffice Calc, to find the square, cube and the root. And once again, thank you for joining and tuning with this video, and don't forget to stay blessed.